Hi guys, in this video tutorial we will change a Facebook name. So click on Facebook and just click on the profile option on the top right corner. So as you can see, just click over here and you can see a setting option over here. Just click on setting and here you can see account center and just click on personal details. And once you will click on personal details, you got a search option over here. Just type a name. So here you can see a name option and the profile which you want to change a name. So simply as the prior name is mentioned over here, so what you can do, simply change a new name and just put it down. So I just write Kevin and my last name is like Brown. So make a review change. So click on review change and here you can save changes and you can get a review change option.